This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing size, depth, and rust. Small surface chips differ from deep exposed metal. Clean the spot with soap, water, then 70% isopropyl to remove oils. Dry thoroughly. Remove any loose paint or flakes with a toothpick or very fine 600-800 grit lightly so you have a stable edge. Once done, mask a 1/2 border of surrounding paint to protect it. Make sure trim and windows are fully covered before moving on to priming. You now prime and rebuild the finish to match surrounding paint. If metal is exposed, apply self-etching primer in thin coats. Hold a steady distance and wait 10-15 minutes between layers so it bonds without runs. Once primed, apply the factory-matched base coat in 2 to 3 thin passes, letting each flash. Feather the edges to blend. After full cure, wet sand carefully with 1000-2000 grit to level the surface. Clean residue with a tack cloth before clearcoat application. You finish by sealing and blending the repaired area with clearcoat. Apply 2 to 3 even clearcoat layers, keeping consistent distance and allowing 10-15 minute flash times so runs don't form. After a full 48-72 hour cure, polish with a compound to remove minor texture, follow with a fine polish, then protect with wax. If you see orange peel or uneven texture, wet sand very lightly with 1500-2000 grit. Re-polish and re-wax.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.